Alright, SPC Hanover 3628, along with Mrs. Clot. Go ahead, Mrs. Clot.
The time is 3:40 p.m. The temperature is 77.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 15:40. The temperature is 77.9 degrees Fahrenheit.
And today, we are going to be doing alarm clock stuff on these two Midlands. So there you go. That's what we're going to be doing. So anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to set an alarm. The radio will actually be facing this way. Maybe that'll make it easier. So that way I can set the camera down. And we can set the radio this way. And let me see which way it works better. For looking at the WR120, oh yeah, that should work. And then looking at the 400, we can just do this. Hoping it'll work for when it goes off. But first we're going to do the 120 alarm to see how it works. So, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the time. The current time is 15:41. And the WR120 says 15:42. So we're going to set it to 15:43. We're going to do the 120 alarm first. .6 a.m. I don't use that. Whoops. Okay, there we go. So now the alarm should go off. Excuse for the lawnmower sounds that my neighbor is cutting the lawn. We will now see how, we will now look at the 120. Whoa. Okay. So I guess I set it for the wrong time. He. Oh, go to Benny, please. Hey, come on. Hey. We're gonna set it to 3:45. Haha. Whoops. There we go. Now the alarm is set. So now as we will talk, we'll look at the 400 time, 3:43, 15:43. We set it for 3:45. So there we go. As soon as it hits 3:44, we're just going to that says 15:43 now. So there's this 15:44. So we will now go ahead, have 1 minute silence as we see what the alarm 120 sounds like. I guess you already got a sneak peek because of the alarm clock. So there we go. Let's see how long this takes. Trying to adjust the camera here. Okay, there we go. We'll wait for the alarm clock to go off then. Holy crap, that is loud. Very loud, Paul. Okay, so now we'll shut the alarm off. I think we'll see, yep, it'll save it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do the Midland WR400 now. Before we do that, we will go ahead and check the time. 15:45, so we will set it for 15:47. Alarm 1. We can set that for 15:47. Ooh, 5:30 in the morning. Oh yeah. Now I gotta turn on the switch. It is 15:46, so in order for it to go off, I have to press the switch. There it goes. Now you have to press the switch. And it should so. Yep, there it is. Now the alarm clock is on, so we will now go ahead and pay attention for that alarm clock to go off. I'll tell you right now, the WR400 is loud. Let's turn it off. It is way louder than the button beeps. Alright, now we're going to do alarm 2. Oh yeah. We'll set it for 15:49. And here comes, oh wow, yeah, I could set it for 15:48, but we're going to have a moment of 1 minute silence here. And the switch should be turned on. There it is. Alright, there we go. I set it for 15:49. And we're setting 4 alarms here. So, oh, there we go, a minute left until the alarm goes off. And we'll switch alarm 1 for the buzzer to the radio, so that way it can go off for the radio. Actually, you know what? I don't know if we should do that to avoid copyright. But we'll see what happens. Depends on how much time we have. It's gonna get loud again. Just saying. There it goes. Okay, that is very loud. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to set it for 50, if I can make it. Radio. We're gonna have set the radio now. And then we'll do alarm 1 with the radio, and then that should be it. Now it should go off for the radio.
Northbound is delayed from
Alright, there we go.
Baltimore
There's
Street
our
to
first
Orbit Road,
alarm.
but now we have a
Now we
crash
have
on
traffic,
Route 15,
and we
right
will
at
now
Baltimore
do...
Street in Carrolltown.
And now we'll shut that off. Traffic is on. Hurry up, please. 400. And then we'll shut that off. Actually, go to number 1. We'll put that on. And it should go for the radio mode, and that should be it for the WR400. There should go off now. Let's see what happens. There it goes. Alright. Whoa, holy crap. Alright. Alright, there we go. Now, what we're going to do is 3:53. What we're going to do is we're going to have these alarms go off at 3:53. We're going to have to go back to the buzzer now. And we will see alarm 1 is set. Now we're going to set this one for 3:53. Alright, and we'll see which radios go off now before we end here. I don't know how to set it for both of them, so that way they both can be visible, but you know, we'll have to see. Alright, so 3:51, they'll go off at 3:53. So there you go, 3:52. So oh, there you go. Yep, a minute. So it looks like 400 is going to go off first before the 120. So what we're going to do is I'm going to literally going to set the camera down and have the 400 and the 120 in view. I don't think I can do the whole view of thing, but we will see. At least we'll be able to see the backlit turn on. So it'll get loud, but you know, we'll do them at the same time. What the heck? So the 120 went off and the 400 did not. Come on. We're doing it again, guys. Sorry. 15:54. 4, select, go. Alright, we're gonna try this again now. Hopefully they'll both go off this time. It'll be loud. There we go. There we go. Alright, there we go. Come on. Alright, there we go. There's our alarms. Now we're going to snooze them. And we're going to go ahead and shut those off. And we're going to shut the alarms off. Oops. I do want that off. And we'll just make sure alarm 2 is off. Good, it's off. And we will make sure the sliding switch is off. So that way it doesn't do anything. And there we go. The alarm should not be on each of these. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this alarm clock stuff. And that will be it.